In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to your Chime app. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step so that you can easily manage your funds and transactions right from your mobile device. Linking your bank account to Chime allows for seamless transfers and keeps your financial life organized and accessible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Chime app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, log in with your credentials. If you're new to Chime, make sure you have your username and password handy. It's important to ensure that your login information is secure and that you're accessing the app in a safe environment. Once you're logged in, take a look at the home screen. At the bottom, you'll notice several options. Tap on Move Money. This is where you'll be able to manage all your financial transactions, including transferring funds between accounts. Next, you'll need to select the option that best suits your needs. For our purposes, you should either choose Transfer Money or Transfer from Other Banks. Both of these options will allow you to initiate the process of linking an external bank account to your Chime app. Now, if this is your first time linking a bank account through Chime, you'll see an option that says Link an External Account. Go ahead and tap on that. This is a crucial step, as it will direct you to the verification process to securely connect your bank account. The app will guide you through the necessary on-screen verification steps. This process may involve entering your bank's login information and verifying your identity through a series of security questions or codes sent to your registered contact details. It's essential to have your banking information ready and to follow the instructions carefully to ensure a secure connection. Once you've followed all the verification steps and everything is confirmed, your bank account will be successfully linked to your Chime app. You will now have the ability to transfer money between your bank and Chime with ease. This feature offers a convenient way to manage your finances, whether you're depositing funds into your checking account or withdrawing money for other expenses. And there you have it. You've linked your bank account to Chime, opening up a world of easy and efficient financial management right at your fingertips. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember to double-check your banking details and ensure your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching, and happy banking with Chime.